how to fold a t-shirt in boot camp, find out how to do it right here. Yo, what is up? This is Bootcamp here with more military knowledge. Today I'm going to show you how to fold your t-shirt, how they do in boot camp, how you're expected to do it, your tricks and stuff, so that way you can get to boot camp, you're prepared for it here, you know how to do it. So yes, make sure you guys drop a like, subscribe, and let's get to the video. So you have your t-shirt, right? If you want to see it here, the t-shirt here, it's going to be like this. You're going to start with a t-shirt, you're going to have it spread out like this. You want to make sure you're not having crevices, whatever, in your way here, obviously. The first thing you're going to do with your t-shirt, you're going to bring it, this part, that lower end, up to the collar. See the collar right here? You're going to bring this right here up to your collar, like this. You want to make sure too, when you're doing it, you want to make sure you check it, make sure it stays flat, crisp. You want to make it tight, you want to make sure everything's tight, your line's good, make it nice and get the wrinkles out of it if you can. Here, as you see. Then you're going to bring your sleeves, right? You're going to bring the sleeves in, like that, one sleeve. Your other sleeve comes in. You want to make sure you don't, get this too far. You want it still kind of be almost, you want to be rectangle. You see how it kind of is a square? You want it to keep lined up like a square. So, whoop, whoop. It's like a big old giant rectangle here. And this is the first part. You want to make sure you get that here. When you get this done, you're going to bring the top here about a third of the way. Bring it about a third of the way. You want to make sure you get it. You want to update it here, so you might want to just pull it out, make it like that, and then your third comes around. Now that's not great, so if you have to, when you're doing it, you can adjust it just a little bit too. That's the thing. When you do your t-shirt, you want to adjust it sometimes. You might have to adjust it. That's fine. Here, you may make sure when you get it that you have it tight like this, right? And then it's going to come over like that. You want to make sure t-shirt is like this. Here, obviously you might have to adjust it here and there, but the big key when you're doing your t-shirts, right, is skinny, fat, skinny. If you see skinny, fat, skinny, they're going to hear that so much at boot camp. Skinny, fat, skinny. Here you see the skinny, you have fat, skinny. And that's going to be the big checkpoints when you're looking at t-shirts. Your artist is going to make sure, obviously, it looks straight and on a line. They're going to look, they see skinny, fat, skinny, you're done. You're good. As long as you have skinny, fat, skinny, and it looks pretty aligned, you're going to be just fine here. It's kind of not that great to fold, obviously, but you want, big goal when you get it is skinny, fat, skinny. That will help you out a lot. Make sure you guys drop a like, subscribe. I'm going to try to make more of these for tips for boot camp like this here, so make sure you guys drop a like, subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video.